1998, an Ohio building contractor created a column protector designed to prevent the damage done to building columns from repeated forklift hits. It was innovative, revolutionary, the first of its kind, the original. It was the Column Sentry. Sentry Protection products formed to market the new product. Thousands of installations and many award-winning products later, we celebrate 20 years in business, from column protection to rack protection to collision warning and parking. It's been quite a journey. With an eye to the future, our commitment to providing innovative and quality solutions to our customers remains strong. Complete protection, quality engineered, tested and proven, always on guard. Sentry Protection products.